Hey there, Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction. If you've ever had a door in your home that sticks, jams, or just doesn't close right, you know how frustrating it can be. But here's the thing, sometimes that sticky door is more than just a minor annoyance. It could be a sign of a bigger problem, like issues with your home's foundation. In today's video, we're diving deep into why doors stick, how to fix them, and most importantly, how to stop the problem at its source so it doesn't come back. Let's start with the common culprits. First, temperature and humidity changes. Wood swells when it's humid and shrinks when it's dry. That movement can make your door rub against the frame. Second, misaligned door frames. This can happen if your home settles unevenly, especially with pier and beam foundations or slab-on-grade homes in areas with expansive soils. Third, and the big one, foundation issues. When your foundation shifts even just a fraction of an inch, it can pull the walls and frames out of square. That's when doors start catching, gaps show up around the frame, and you might even see cracks in the floors or on the walls even. So, how do you know if it's your sticky door or just a seasonal nuisance or a big red flag? Here are some telltale signs. You'll see noticeable gaps around the door, difficulty in opening or closing the door, even just adjusting the hinges, visible cracks in walls or floors, moisture or mold around the frame. If you're seeing more than one of these signs, it's time to take a closer look at your home's foundation. Before you call in the pros, there are a few simple fixes you can try yourself, especially if your foundation is fine. You'll need a precision level to check the alignment, maybe some shims for minor door frame adjustments, a saw for trimming the door if it's a little too tight, waterproof sealant if you're also sealing gaps, and always wear safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Here's our step-by-step process for tackling a sticking door. Step one is to check the hinges. Loose or bent hinges can throw the door out of alignment. Tighten those screws and make sure they're nice and flush. Step two is to trim the door if needed. You want to mark where it's rubbing, then carefully shave off just enough to create clearance. Step three, realign the door frame. This is more involved. Sometimes you'll need to remove trim, adjust shims, and re-secure the frame. Step four, address any underlying foundation issues. If you see cracks in the slab or feel the floor is uneven, stop here and call a professional. We often use solutions like helical piers or push piers to stabilize and level the home. You should bring in a foundation expert when your door keeps sticking even after adjustments, cracks in walls or floors are getting bigger, you've got multiple doors or windows that are acting up. A professional inspection gives you a clear picture of your home's health. At Dalinghaus, we use precise measurements, laser levels, and soil analysis to figure out exactly what's going on. Foundation repairs do a lot more than just fix the door. They stabilize the entire structure, prevent future damage, and can even improve the home's resale value. Plus, early repairs almost always cost a lot less than waiting for the problem to get worse. Here's how to keep your doors from sticking in the future. You want to maintain proper humidity in your home, especially in basements and crawl spaces. You want to monitor your foundation for cracks or uneven settling. You want to schedule regular inspections so small issues don't turn into big headaches. A lot of people think a sticking door just needs a little bit of WD-40 on the hinges. The truth is, that's usually a temporary band-aid. Another myth, it's just cosmetic. Nope, sometimes that door is telling you that your home is literally shifting under your feet. Costs vary depending on whether it's a simple adjustment or a full foundation repair. That's why we always provide a clear, detailed estimate so there are no surprises. At the end of the day, a sticking door might be nothing, or it might be the first sign of something serious. If you're dealing with doors that won't cooperate, or you've noticed other signs of foundation trouble, give us a call here at Dalinghaus Construction. We'll give you an honest assessment and help you keep your home safe, stable, and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more home maintenance tips. I'm Justin Sexton, and I'll see you in the next video. Call now or book online at dalinghausconstruction.com, servicing California, Arizona, and Nevada. Free foundation inspections are available, lifetime warranties on select repairs. See you next time.